In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best outboard motor for the money that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 1. Eapmic 7 HP 4-stroke. The Eapmic 7 HP 4-stroke is superior to air cooling technology to enhance the entire machine. This fine motor is suitable for both saltwater and freshwater. Additionally, this motor is a good match for inflatable boats, sailboats, fishing boats, and small yachts. After that, it has a compact structure, you can use it efficiently. On top of everything else, it's energy efficient, therefore, it doesn't harm the environment at all. Also, you will get a 1-year warranty. Eapmic are committed to provide excellent customer service. If you have any questions, please contact us. We will try our best to solve your problem. Number 2. HANGKAI 4-stroke 1.4 HP superior engine outboard motor. This is very much affordable for tight budget consumers. It's a great engine that is exclusively certified by CE. It's a suitable match for sailboats, fishing boats, inflatable boats, and small yachts. Most importantly, it's also ideal for saltwater and freshwater. Also, anti-corrosive construction is another feature that ensures the protection of the outboard. What's more, it provides a 1-year warranty. Therefore, if you face any complications regarding the motor in 1 year. Number 3. HANGKAI 6.5 HP. This superior engine water cooling system is durable and manufactured to be used for a long time. The HANGKAI 6.5 horsepower for stroke outboard motor offers all the power you require for motoring in a small craft. This engine is the best one to provide fuel efficiency. Additionally, it has a redesigned carrying handle plus a holding grip so that you can conveniently transport it. The machine works well in shallow water. The ignition system is a CDI system for easy starting and increased performances, and engine superior water cooling systems for enhanced engine performances. The starting system of the motor is pulling started. The engine and propeller gear ratio is 2:1, and it features 360-degree steering rotation for reverse without gear shifting. Number 4. Mercury 3.5 HP for stroke outboard motor. Mercury 3.5 HP outboard motor 4-stroke boat engine water-cooled motor is strong and sturdy, and it is a good buy as an emergency or backup engine or for a small boat to go fishing with the nearest and dearest one. Mercury 3.5 is an excellent choice of power for canoes, small tenders, and inflatables. At just 38 pounds, Mercury designed the 3.5 to be compact and lightweight. The carry handles evenly balance the engine for easy transporting. Further, it gives a complete line of remarkably light portable for stroke outboards. The whole range makes operation and portability simple with simple characteristics: clean, quiet, fuel efficient. Number 5. LEADALLWAY T 4.0 HP 4-stroke. An enormous advantage of owning an inflatable boat or small fishing boat is taking the fun with the angler or sightseer, especially who loves to catch fishes. Further, it is easy to visit anywhere with this portable machine and proffers an entire line of light, portable 4-stroke outboards. With a vast range of models to choose from. LEADALLWAY T 4.0 HP 4-stroke also works excellent without burning well in the water. The total weight of this machine is 28.7 pounds. No doubt, fuel-efficient 4-stroke performances make this machine power of choice.